toDIYfor. So a couple of the things you're gonna see in this DIY, in the styling part of it, are more DIYs that will be coming to you next week. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and you don't miss out on those wonderful DIYs if you spotted something that you like. But I'm gonna start today's video off with some dollar store decor ideas from the dollar store, yeah. We're gonna roll with it, yes. Obviously, you know I love the dollar store. I love to save a buck, and let's just get right into these DIYs.
Okay, so these wooden blocks I'm going to turn into a Christmas tree. They're $1.25 a package. You could buy a ton of these and make lots of different sized Christmas trees. 2 packages made this one tree that I'm making right now, and I just laid the blocks all out in the size of a triangle, like a Christmas tree here, before you start gluing. I would highly suggest. So all you need is hot glue to put these together, and what I did was glue my rows of cubes together before I actually glued the tree together, which I'm quite happy about because I ended up kind of changing the design here. So near the end, I decided I wanted to put a single block in between each of those rows. It makes the Christmas tree a lot taller, a lot quicker, but I also just like the way that it looks aesthetically. So again, I'm just using hot glue and gluing a block in between each one of those rows, and each row just gets bigger by 1. So you can make lots of different sizes, like I said. Look at your cute little Christmas tree, but to make this one large tree, I used 2 packages, and here's how I did the bottom, just to make it a little more stable so it doesn't topple over very easily. I added 2 blocks to the front and 2 blocks to the back. So my other idea is more or less just a styling idea. You can get these bulbs for like $1 a tube at the dollar store. This is an old package of bulbs that I use every single year, and gold is my theme. And then I picked up these gold ribbons from the dollar store as well. And what I did with these is I strung all of these bulbs on literally just some white thread, so you can't really see it, and I hung it above our TV because I have a curtain rod that goes across for both of these windows. Now I know not everyone is going to have this, but I do really think this is a cute idea to hang on your curtain rod, maybe in front of your windows. So I thought I would share it with you because it was pretty cute. And I mean, most of this stuff is dollar store items, pine cones, bulbs, and garland.
So that's it for this week's DIY. I really love that Christmas tree. I think it looks like it's so much more expensive than the $2.50 that I spent on it. And I do have some plans to do some more dollar store decor ideas. If you like that idea, give this video a like, and if you have any other suggestions for holiday decor, holiday DIYs in general that you would like me to see. Still got lots of time to make some, so feel free to leave that down in the comments below. And like I said, a few of the things that you might have spotted in this video are actually more DIYs that I do have coming up next week. So make sure you subscribe, and if you try out any of my DIYs, I always want to see what you're making at home. You can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Janelle Steeper. Tag me in that so I can check out your DIYs, and I will chat with you next Wednesday. Cheers.